A stormy night, a young eagle fell from its nest, its wing badly broken. Other birds whispered, "It will never fly again." But the little eagle looked up at the sky and thought, "Maybe I can't fly now, but I will one day." Days turned into weeks, and the eagle tried to move its broken wing a little every day. Whenever it fell, the other birds laughed. "You're just a dreamer." But deep inside, the eagle knew, dreams belong to those who never stop trying. One morning, a wise old owl saw the eagle struggling and said, "Your wings are weak, but your heart is powerful. Don't wait for strength, build it," the owl whispered. From that day, the eagle practiced every single dawn, jumping from small rocks, flapping harder each time. Days became months, and one golden morning, the eagle climbed to the highest cliff it could find. Its heart pounded, wind roared, and it jumped. For a second, it fell. Then, its wings caught the air. The eagle screamed with joy, "I can fly." The same birds who once laughed now looked up in awe. The eagle circled the sky, looked down, and whispered, "The sky was never gone. I just had to reach it." Somewhere below, the old owl smiled, proud and silent. Even if life breaks your wings, never forget, you can rebuild them stronger than before. Thank you for watching. Never stop believing in good. Subscribe for more inspiring stories.